Welcome back to Traveling Cloud. Texas, renowned for its vast landscapes and diverse terrain, offers ample opportunities for land ownership. While some areas may seem out of reach for those on a budget, there are hidden gems scattered throughout the Lone Star State where affordable land can still be found. Here are 5 places where you can buy cheap land in Texas. Pecos County. Nestled in the heart of West Texas, Pecos County boasts wide open spaces and stunning desert landscapes. With its low population density and abundance of undeveloped land, this region offers opportunities for affordable land purchases. Whether you're interested in a secluded ranch property or a parcel for recreational use, Pecos County provides plenty of options without breaking the bank. Zandt County. Located in northeastern Texas, Zandt County combines rural charm with accessibility to major cities like Dallas and Fort Worth. This area is known for its rolling hills, lush forests, and picturesque lakes, making it an attractive destination for those seeking affordable land for residential or recreational purposes. With a variety of property sizes available, Zandt County offers affordability without sacrificing amenities or proximity to urban centers. Newton County. Tucked away in the southeastern corner of Texas, Newton County offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Characterized by its dense forests, winding rivers, and abundant wildlife, this area appeals to outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Land prices in Newton County are often lower compared to other parts of the state, making it an ideal destination for those looking to invest in rural land without breaking the bank. Hudspeth County. Bordering Mexico in far west Texas, Hudspeth County is a hidden gem for budget-conscious land buyers. With its arid desert landscapes and sweeping mountain views, this area offers a unique opportunity to own land in a remote yet breathtaking setting. Whether you're interested in off-grid living, recreational activities, or simply enjoying the peace and quiet of the desert, Hudspeth County provides affordable options for land ownership. Cottle County. Situated in the rolling plains of North Texas, Cottle County offers a blend of natural beauty and affordability. Known for its wide open spaces and panoramic vistas, this area provides opportunities for ranching, farming, and outdoor recreation at a fraction of the cost compared to more densely populated regions. Whether you're looking for a small acreage property or a larger parcel of land, Cottle County offers plenty of affordable options for prospective buyers. When searching for cheap land in Texas, it's essential to consider factors such as location, accessibility, and intended use. By exploring these hidden gems, aspiring landowners can find affordable opportunities to make their dreams of land ownership a reality in the Lone Star State. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your free land journey.